All right, well, so is what we got going on. So we got a big ice buildup here. This is the north side of the shop. And as you can see, when it warms up, all the snow comes down off the roof and lands right in front of the door. And what we had was the door was actually getting bowed inward right here because of the ice buildup. The snow falls, and then on the warmer days, it'll melt into the ice that we have here already, and it just all forms one big clump of ice, and it's a bear to get out. But when it starts pushing against the door, then we got to do something about it. So we got, the kid is gonna build a quick ice chipper, and we're gonna work at this edge just to get it out of here so it's away from the door, and then we can close the door again. So let's get to it. We got number 3 here. He's gonna show me how good of a welder he is.
Can't make weld.
Well, don't you want to go to school for welding?
TIG welding.
You gotta learn it all there, Sonny. What do you want to do after high school?
Pipe fitter.
You know what? Just take and weld that. Just tack it right here and here, and then we'll just cut it with a grinder later. If you haven't had practice with it, then it sounds like that's the reason that's what you should do. This would be a great practice job. Yeah, look at you, man.
There's a thing there.
Yeah, that's a gas. Take the gas, and now you're gonna knock over the table. You pulling head.
Probably why I tried going.
Who gave you that thought?
Thankfully.
You had it up till now. I start. Probably too much rust here too. Our wooden welding table.
Yeah. Hey, you burned through it.
What, the pipe?
No, the tube.
I don't care.
Yeah, that's the line.
Ooh, this is like the best hoodie shirt I got. I can't take this off because I got my work shirt on.
Your work shirt?
Underneath it, yeah. Now I'll have to edit that out, yeah. So
Go throw some over there on it.
our blade is right there, so as long as
And it's not like this matters, you're just cutting something.
it's a little off, but not too bad. It'll work for an ice pick.
If it was thick enough.
I figure we might have to do like 2 cuts. Or we just jab it open.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll just do that. We'll get a punch and see where we, there you go. When we just get this started, then we just hammer it in. If our welding table wouldn't move. I used to have them hanging there, then I had them all.
We gotta weld that back on.
I don't need to cut it, it's just the right way. We'll do it our way. The right way is boring.
I'll bet need to turn off.
Yeah, no, that's not gonna turn off with that one. We keep pounding on her, or we call that good?
And that might be good.
Does that look straight?
Yeah.
All right, where's that big sledgehammer? Just do it. Oh, we gotta show everyone your awesome welds. Oh yeah.
No, just got a farmer weld. Doesn't have to look good, it's just a hole. Gotta take the slag off.
The pipe is like this, and our blade is like that.
Oh, it'll be fine.
Did you want me to do that? Weld it out.
Clean it off real quick.
Well, farmer welding. Wow, that looks like garbage. Garbage!
Hey, my side's blue.
It'll chip yeah, not that blue. It'll chip ice.
We don't need to turn it up anymore.
Hold on, I'm gonna mess with this. Give ourselves a best chance. What are you doing?
The machine's fine. Like I said, the machine's fine. You just gotta weld it.
Well, it's better, but it's still not. It's still building up.
Turn the voltage
You're
down.
running too fast.
Turn the wire speed and the voltage down.
I mean, too fast.
Turn the wire speed down.
No, you do it for the thickness of your metal. Oh yeah, we can show everyone that one. Turn it so they can't see the other one. This is what they all look like. Not too shabby. Did you try to weld that gap?
Yeah.
Just stick it in the hole.
Because it seems like while it's welding, it wants to keep arcing. Because I let go of it and it's kept going.
That is one of the settings on there. Today's episode on Project Shop is learn how to use your welder. Is this for grinding or is it for sanding? Because I said no. You want to re-weld this, or you want me to? It should weld way better for you. Just pay attention to your puddle. Just basically do a new weld down there, and then we'll do a new one up here. Another how not to video. Always unplug these as we're demonstrating here when you change out the blade. I want to see your flapper wheel do that.
That's 5 inches new. I feel bad for Mom.
You know, it was good enough for you to be created. Set right now. Perfect. Yeah, that was good. It's amazing what happens when you adjust the machine rate. Even a Harbor Freight welder. Not bad. It'll chip ice. Should we do a little test? You pick that one or that one. I'm going to do one with a grinder wheel. You're going to do the other one with a flapper wheel, and we'll see who gets
This one's
done first.
significantly bigger.
Well, then I would recommend you pick the smaller one and give yourself the extra advantage, and I'm still going to kick your butt. Which one do you want? Choose or I will.
You can choose.
Results are final. I'll tell you what. That one and that one looks pretty similar, right?
Yeah.
All right, we'll do that. We'll time it once we get in editing. John, you really think you can do that fast with a flapper wheel?
Yeah.
Here you go, have at it. Here's a little bit more so we can make sure we're in the camera view. All right. All right. I think there's a
Significantly quick.
there might be a difference. If not, they're going to be both very, very close to each other. It'll chip. All right. I have to pay your medical bills still. Now we only have to. The only thing that sucks about flex core is all the spattering
Yeah.
that you get. All right, time for inspection. Not all too bad. It'll hold.
It's a little twisty.
A little warm. This little bevel the kid put on it. Now we'll go watch it in action. All right, kid decided it needs a handle. Evidently it's like a hockey stick.
I was thinking more like a sword.
Oh yeah, because you know swords have tape on them for a handle.
They have leather. But this is close enough.
Leather, 3M tape, you know, same thing. You're not gonna do the hockey grip?
Well, I don't know what that means.
Really? Well, you weren't a hockey kid. Not that I was either, but all right. Let's go test it out. Now, don't be marking up my floor. Oh yeah, that works pretty good. He'll have this floor done in no time. Oh, that just goes over the top of it. It works. Need a tool, make a tool.
That's gotta be good enough now.
No, yeah, I want to do the whole thing right here.
You got it.
Huh?
I'm going. If you.
Okay, now let's go ahead and start on that end and work all the way over. No? You're lucky I don't really mean it.
I don't get paid enough for that.
So now is what we'll do when we bring the door down. We'll leave it an inch or so off. We'll leave it up a little bit for the next couple nights. You be cameraman.
Yeah, I know how to do it.
Yeah, but I want to do the easy work.
There's nothing easier than holding that.
You got to hold it steady though. That's pretty tough for me to do.
There.
All right. Oh, that's our solution. We fixed it, and now we're just going to leave it up a little bit so anything that falls in will just come in underneath. And instead of wrecking our cheap door that we got off of Facebook, we'll just have to chip more ice. But luckily, the kid made himself a nice little ice chipper. It works pretty good, so it'll make his job easier. All right, back to the shop. Thanks for joining in. We got the kid finally made his debut into the videos. We get this welder turned off. And a fun little project for him and I to work on, and it's a great tool that we'll use for quite a while. So, say goodbye.
See ya.
See you on the next one.